Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Second half thing now. Me not even break no time. You know, see, because I don't want, because you see, the sun get hot and hotter. And when the sun get hot, the phone the trip out. But a park feels, me there still. Me there a park feel still. You know, see it. Me know me can find one cold shade, because it's so hot like a hell, you know. Look at things me no bring me black garbage bag again, because that's why me no collapse over center there. And the black garbage bag in a better. You know, see it. But me know if me can just put it on the thing there. You know, so when you have video people when you have video, make the sun. You know, see, you can't video towards the sun, you know. I'm teaching you so when you have video, when you see it, when something there, when you stand in front of something there, yeah, man, when you face in the sun, don't point the video camera to the sun. Yes, Iyah. And what me I say now, the voice kind of host, you know. Yeah, man, say second half. I say I go start the thing, you know. First half, but one thing I now post the two of them the same day. Because people now want to watch, you can't post so much thing. Because 45 and 45. This now go, no man, this now go 45 minutes. This will go about, what time, you know? This will go about half an hour. Yeah, man. The voice have bed me long. And once, you know, say, this a man wait over Tracy, you know. Me wait over Tracy, you know. Because enough views over Tracy talk about, you know, but I share the same views, you know. And look how over Tracy does humorous and does. Yeah, man, and the man is full of laughter, man is doing things. The man freak. You see, because over Tracy, when say boy, some people tell him, say boy, into black. To go up on, yeah, man, to work on TV. I work at TV station. I look on Rural Tracy now. Look on Rural Tracy. Thank you, my general, for saying me the thing about Rural Tracy this morning. Yeah, man, I have me look a bag, you know, to cover the thing, you know, because sometimes the sun. Because I want to try to sit up a thing and I can protect the sun from the thing there. Because that's why sometimes at the 24 Ultra, I do them thing upon because the 23 Ultra easy to eat up. So what me I say now, what a pasa in the between Tova and Gajer. Come here for because I look out, because I tell some of my friends them say, you know, and some of the comrades them say, you know, say Fowl farm a common center, you know. I tell you that, you know, because most of the comrades, you don't now read, you don't need to read. Michael Manley say, you don't need to read. That's why the man write books and about socialism and so forth. The man say, you don't need to read. Because I read it. And the Virgin was send me the article. Because you know, say, I don't buy newspaper again, you know. I don't buy no Star and no Glean and them sitting, you know. But you can get information on the phone. See that 2 phone you have, you know. I'm afraid to say me have 2 phones, you know. Because you're a thief. You're a thief before you hear sure going. You're not going to thief people. You know, see it? Yeah, man. You're a thief the S10 plus a year sure going last year, you know. Because even if me left my bag, you know, see it? I'm not call the phone. Even if it's either cut up the bag off of me, I'm left my bag somewhere where I'm not do me stuff them. And take time move the bag. And me call my phone. On the thief me take S10 plus. And I know Chinaman, me know say no Chinaman thief. I know Indian and a white man. I the same black people them who no see it. On the thief me phone. That's why I tell the say boy judge I know. Me just glad say you don't go over send to go thief man and cow. Because the man would have killed me. I'm sorry, say I just shouldn't know my generals. Formal cowboys. You know see it? I tell you about I'm sorry my generals. You understand me? I'm sorry. Say me I said the reason why I do it. Yes. Come here and tell you that's why I go around you see them party. So you have fun when I go again, brother. Coming on to go for center again, But what me I say, last night, me and coming and call nobody name upon the one. Last night me I link a general. Come here get the host up now. Look at the different sound of my voice. Me I get host. Brother. My voice change my voice. I mean I catch no cool or nothing at all, but it's like me I talk. Me know all my voice are gone, brother. Do me I talk for the people and the people that listen understand what me I say. Yes. Soldier brother talk over the people. Last time I call a brethren. I tell him about I make my reason. I don't call the brethren name. I keep on telling the brethren about the Fowl Farm Center. And the brethren tell me, say, Tova said. My brethren tell me, say, Tova, the MP say, no Fowl Farm can't come in town. No Fowl Farm can't come in town. And I respect Tova for that. And my brethren tell me, say, Tova say, no deal with Gajer. She not deal with Gajer because she no love how Gajer flex. So Tova must know how Gajer the flex make she not deal with Gajer. And that the general tell me. Because Tova is a article sister, you know. Because I say how she flex, you know. And that's it. And I give thanks enough things Tova contribute. Because sometimes, you know, that's my opinion still. Sometimes some of the people are on the wrong side of the fence. That's a me love how Mr. Meadows come across. Me love how Mr. Meadows come across, you know. Because Mr. Meadows is a article man, you know. I mean I go back upon what Mr. Meadows is saying, you know. But Mr. Meadows make a speech and Market G have to take his stand. Because you have man that do things and still I run country same way. Because I can't do Joker. Look at Trump do and Trump still I run same way. But as a thing goes still, me not really in a seat. Yeah, me not really debate upon that. But as I say, yes, as I say, Tova say, she not deal with something there. Deal with Gajer. And Gajer, you must have mad. Gajer can't put no Fowl Farm in town. Respect my sister, Tova, for them thing there. That's why God, that's why I say God, that's how soft God. You know, see, because Tova say no one on Fowl Farm in town. And Falmouth town, and we are the original people for Falmouth. You know, see it. Falmouth a free town. If Tova want embrace the town, give thanks to Tova. But Tova, Falmouth a free town, Tova. And we have some generals who plan to do a 100-man march. Because the man said no Fowl Farm can't come a center. And the man say, and Tova, you see it, always said no Fowl Farm can't come a center. Tova, oh you low, homeless, place the homeless, to feed homeless, to feed mad people, place to feed mad people, and place to shelter mad people. Or you make that come in your town. Tova, them place they pick up on 1 mile Tova. Respect you, my sister. Respect your sister. Respect you, my sister. Because I see you all in the street league, the street night league last year. And you give up, and you give cash prize and all them sitting there. Yeah, man. I see you Bilal basketball and netball court down the Falmouth garden. Down a side way. I respect that. I say the road them don't fix up and all sitting there. I respect that. I respect that Tova. But Tova, I ain't up on a revolution right now. I don't pick up no arms like 80 people. I don't use no arms. We are use word, sound and power. Can I tell Jamaica said don't mention no arms. A word, sound and power we use like how Jesus used word, sound and power. So Tova, you understand me? You say you don't want to know something there. You know see it. Because I'm going to move in front of in front of the camera and kind of put the camera on the sun because it's come down on the camera. On the phone, you know. On the phone. If you got the sun, come down on the phone. Yeah, man. At the 24 me I use still. Because, yeah, man, I buy the 24 ultra. When time you take me S10 Plus. When you buy the S10 Plus from me, and that couldn't stop me. At the 24 ultra I go buy. 24 ultra I buy after the TV S10 Plus. So what I say, I go in front of the and move around and talk. And try to take off, shield the sun from the phone. Yes. Because the sun the back of me, you know. So what I say now? Yeah, man, when I say about Tova, I depend on yes, Tova. I respect my sister. That's what I say. That's my opinion. Because Tova and Tiger and Monday and Andrew and Monday, depend on the wrong side, there is something there. Wrong side of the fence. Because I say you have good, because you have good JLP people, you know. Yeah, man, you have good intelligent people, man. Oh, but you want a leader. I know say I'm a leader, you know. I don't know, say, boy, things messed up, you know. Because when Siaga, you know, he couldn't do them things at Siaga time, you know. Because when Siaga, they wrap up, you know. When they keep on the food, Siaga say, Siaga church on the man, you know. And say, sing a song, can find yourself back home. You know, see, but Andrew Wallace a bring down on the party, brother. You know, see, because fool, that's my Mackenzie. What time boy you go take street and defend Andrew. You know, see. Yeah, man, respect. Yeah, and warming town. You come, you know, you can't style him up, you know, and go no names, you know. You can't style him up and go no, but me just bother them thing then. Iyah. You know, see, because I know what's so to say, because I silly time now. I don't take nothing serious, because I want in the third term. You know, see, but what I say? Because I campaign, you know. One man army, you know. John Lou, you know. Let's call John Lou. John Lou was the kicker, Wang you know. Yeah, man. Campaign for my own brother. Just like a Maverick. Because we all know, you know, see, because we're street smart. You know, see, and we're educated fools. You know, see, so we don't have to blame the fully done people. Because fully done is on the two sides of the party. And the educated fools are the problem. Some look educated fools that run behind the devil. Because the devil couldn't make me take no price joke, you know. You must have mad priority, George. Because when I drop left, right, and center. But what I say now, Tova, respect your stand you take. You say something there, no Fowl farm can't come in your town. And we, the real generals, farmer people, because we have enough brethren plan to keep 100-man march. 100-man march we plan to put together. And we go put it together. Because we are march, because we are, me no want the man them, we want higher knife in march. March go down on the drop-in center. Yeah, man. Go down on the drop-in center and the place and the homeless shelter. The Gajer plan to build fowl farm. And make homeless people raise fowl. Because in the article, enough people that support Gajer too. Enough some standards people, farmer chickens. That's why farmer chickens brother must get. Gajer must give him a Howard. He was weak. I saw me here. Because the farmer chickens have been big old sign out of center there. But big up some farmer chickens, you know. Big up Chris Supreme, a good youth. A good youth that. Yes. Because in support Farmer United, in support NIP School Youth, in support NIP. Because the man is a past student of ignorance. I don't call it NIP School again, you know. I call it ignorance, enslave, and knowledge liberate. Because I don't call it states again, you know. I call states hard work and integrity, you know. Yes. And if you notice, when we watch your brother, you see it? You see where the place to keep on clean. The tourists come down here. The place to keep properly. The reason why the tourists them then, this couldn't happen, you know, brother. And because the vice have bed me line now. The reason why the guy told them company fishing village. And he told them him free to come over here. Because the place was so forested. And the vice have bed me not talk to no. Because campaign me not campaign. Yeah man. One man army, John Wang Yu. Yes. What me not say again now? That's why me kind of when me do me thing, you know. Me start talk a thing. Why me I tell her? Yeah man, what me I say again now? Yes. Upon Tova same way. Yes. Yeah man. At the 100-man march plan we put together. Because Tova say no Fowl farm can't come in town. And we the original generals, who know about sports and so forth, and say we want the part of them feed for homeless people, and the part when they have, when they claim say when they house homeless people, that's why they go live down there now. So they go put Fowl farm down there. When they go put Fowl farm down there, for then raise the chicken them, because chicken farm and fowl are the same thing. We call it Fowl farm. When you put you up and call it chicken raise chicken. You know see, that's why farmer chicken got the supported and all them sitting on the levels. Because we read about in the 5K walk. We read about in the 5K walk when I go using the 5K walk and raise funds. Because them thinking the man them didn't walk at all and sometimes they walk, who want walk and who want run. You keep already, you keep long time already. So we don't know how the Fowl farm start build it. How much they must talk sense in a Gajer head. Gajer, what you do? Gajer, you take Mali? In Gajer, and Mali you take? How you can build Fowl farm beside the police station? Eh? And you can't put them thing in a public place. Eh? The police ain't go tolerate foul shit. Eh? The center the foul shit them because if bigger, because if you go feed homeless people, what you cater for? At them they say go raise the fowl, let me know. I wish homeless people go use raise fowl Gajer. I will go raise fowl, use and run a fowl farm. Because you don't want no cheap labor, you don't want to pay nobody. You want to use homeless people. Eh? In Gajer. Need to see me for interview you, but Gajer, I don't want a man like you, I don't want to sit in front of you, brother. I don't want to sit in front of a man like you, brother. I don't want to see people like you, you know. Let's just something me dark up, you know. Me dark up more time, brother, because I don't want to see man like, I can't chat to man like Gajer, you know. So me can't blame Tova for not deal with Gajer, you know. Because a man tell me say Tova say not deal with Gajer, brother. Because she don't love what Gajer flex. So that's for them Pasa business. I don't want to say. She not deal with Gajer and Gajer can't put no Fowl farm in a film town. Big up yourself, Mr. Street, Tova. You should not come across like how me just come across because Tova, God, your time over. Yes, man, your time over, Tova. You know, see it. No disrespect for you, Tova. Me rate and respect you, But you know, sabotage Gajer and all them sitting there, I stand up for Gajer still, all Gajer too soft, Gajer. Gajer, you're too soft. Especially when the woman them. You too, Gajer, you have to be a soldier. Because God, nobody can take back a talking of God. God, you tell me say you against the building of the dropping center, you know. Because God, Mr. God Wilkinson, you tell Michael Manley Pitney say, yes, because I campaign, I campaign, you know. I see the season now, you know. And God, you tell Michael Manley Pitney say against the building the place of the homeless. Right there, so. It's not a good place to put because you got to draw mad people down in inside there. And people, the kids in my girls' school, I want to say because right beside this, so you have something there. You have the Falmouth Infant School. Right beside near this, so you have the Falmouth Library. And right close this, so you have the kids in front compound of the parts we got Baruch School and all them sitting there. So no place for house mad people and feed mad people. Because street people are mad people and careless people. Me not against street people, you know, because I And I can go up on the street, you know. But what I say, I know this I know the right place. This is not the right place to put it. And that God said, you have other lands when you can't put it. When you can't put it over the whole police station, when you can't put it back, we're gonna put it over the poor relief section beside the poor house. Because I know Falmouth. You know see it? Yes. You want to Tova, just like you don't want no fowl farm in your town. We don't want no mad people. Downtown Falmouth. The Gajer down around downtown Falmouth. Like one madman was in the place frequently. I'm going to make a speech outside of the drop-in center. You understand, the bonfire. People are the same thing I post up with Steve sit down at the roadside. I said nothing Bob Marley say. Not one of my seed shall sit on the sidewalk and beg bread. The same morning there, I went Steve out there, you know see it, and Jewel man didn't call him. And that bird tell me that's her name. The one who didn't find dead. I'm going to tell her, say, it's not me now. I'm not telling her that. Me say didn't find him dead or something there. Out of warfare there. You know see it. Yeah man. Out of the water they didn't find in shortcut. But I'm not leaving to God on time. Because when I do my thing, and I call Bob Marley name, he start style up Bob Marley the most way. He style Bob Marley on the most way. And me say didn't find him. But me I tell you say, you understand me? They didn't find him within shortcut. Yes. Become no answer them people any better. But what me I say? So Gajer, back to you Gajer now. Much minutes me gone in the second half here. Me nah go. You know, me nah go. Me gone. Boy, me tell you me gone 20 minutes in the second half, brother. Yeah, man. The first half, me do 45 minutes. Yeah, first half. Yeah, me never go extra time. But what me I say now, the voice kind of host up to you know. People say for me, me go watch you back on your device on. But what me I say now, Gajer, who you gonna make Gajer Fowl him, Gajer? Who you did we gonna make because you say when I raise, you say you have the 5K walk, coming to 5K walk, I raise funds. Because you go do your 5K walk, get the money and build a chicken farm. And the homeless people them, I go raise the chicken them for feed so they can cut them on the cost of feeding them. So Gajer now, tell me now Gajer, I wish homeless people you can go use. How much I hide them out? In Gajer, you catch them people that come out and say me there. Nice thing this, I'm loving tourists to come out and every man can fisherman benefit because I have a little sister in. My little sister in have a business. I don't to call people name for my thing. Yeah. Yeah man, so as I say, how can I get it the
this park is one of the number one park.
Hold on. Tell him, me just want to talk, tell him. Me no matter just talk, tell him what the park you know.
This park used to be the number one park in Falmouth before they built the park down there.
Which park? Center?
Center.
Okay.
Right. This used to be the founder and the number one. And it used to be clean, well kept. Now it's very bushy. You can see.
Yeah, people, that me I talk about you know. Big up yourself, General.
Yeah, man.
You see it? Respect.
This is my favorite place so far.
Okay.
All right.
Your favorite, yes, your favorite place.
Favorite place right now.
Tell me, General. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Me rate the man, you know. Me for the people, them.
Yeah.
Politics can't divide we. The place one key camp. Is your favorite? Touch it. See me touch the people. Why? Yeah. One love. No matter the color of your skin, we are God's people.
Yeah.
Black or white. Yeah. Give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up. I didn't see. Give me the thumbs up. Yeah, man. Respect.
I'm Lord, never take care of the place with you, man.
Yeah, man, tell you, brother.
Clean up, you want to take care of it, you.
Yeah, me I tell you.
Yeah.
All right, I'm glad to give you a piece.
Yeah, man.
You see there? Me never said nothing more. Me no want. You see when I tell you towards it, Cha? Soko. Boy, I suck me and work fine now. Because so could drop out, you know. Me not see nothing more. Yeah, the what the man that tell the toes them say. So me I say farmer people, the real farmer people them who love sports. Because my sister tell me say, in here say we come saying go take off the place. The place for the something. But as I say, before me talk about that, because of the distraction, I kind of shift from what me I say. One me I say right now, we see. Gajer, who you gonna make raise the chicken them? You think man a fool? We take off the print, we take everything off of the media, you know, because the man who send me the thing, you know. He say my search for it, you know. A general who send me the thing in time there, you know. When you receive, when Chris Supreme a donate thing give you, that's how you get Chris. All in deserve it still. All in a long time in the business, because you have the business for certain years in a Chilean before you start, before they give you an award. And Chris get a quick award the other day. And Chris have him big sign out the center. Big up yourself, Chris. You promote the business. So you go and pay no dues for that. Yes. Because government, so-called government badness. Because Gajer, when you claim saying bad people, you know, and go take over people's place and keep on the foolishness, you know. We have some generals about the place. We have keep the peace, you know. Because we change up ways. We now fight no politics the way again, you know. Like back in the 90s, you know. No, like back in the 80s, you know. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So what I say now, Gajer? Who will go make crazy chicken them? Oh. Patsy, highly mouth. Because it's highly mouth over there, you know. So what? So Gajer, when you plan when you go build a fowl farm, a highly mouth you go make take care of chicken them? Because we all know the history of highly mouth. And we all know the history of Anita Bell Navis. Because back in the days, when time ladies in the farm would take to sports and do them thing, upon the Elixton Waitland Youth Center. You know, see it? And get them fame and famous. Because one sister from Falmouth, you see your compound, I can't call she, and I can't call Harriet Ellis. The two doubles champion them. Table tennis. Because right now two table tennis board park up on center. But can't use. Not use because the struggle of Kimani Mali I go through. So Mr. Gajer, if a highly mount you want to go for raise the chicken them, it's not gonna work, Mr. Gajer. Because we are farmer people, we all know highly mount story. We all know highly mount sister when you call him hard life story. So if highly mount fall for hard times and so forth on a certain levels, and they work on the place, you know see it. You man name food. You know see it. When Alimount did young, if we take the sport like Anita and handle it them, Alimount would have right. But Alimount choose for your lifestyle, you know. And we don't want we don't want a young generation. We don't want a young generation of Falmouth become like Alimount, you know. Because we say sports can take the youth them out of the nice police station. Because me don't know why no love going to prison so. Me never go behind prison walls yet, you know. So all who want to set me for go behind prison walls, you know. You don't see me behind prison walls, you know. You know see, because I see people go behind prison walls and we shed tears, you know. You know see, me see people go behind, see them lifestyle and we shed tears. And me say, you see the pardon, you see just a pardon. Marcus Gajer go behind prison walls. Gonna set him up. Mandela go behind prison walls. Yes. You know see it. The whole of Jesus warriors them go behind prison walls. And Jesus himself go behind prison walls. You know see, Johnny Baptist go behind prison walls. And then chop off his head. The man that go behind prison walls for me. So why am I learning from the man the lifestyle? So why am I going to put myself behind prison walls? And Gajer, me I tell you so. And Kimani Mali, because we gone 28 minutes. We don't want to make it be want make it be about 35 as a full. Kimani Mali, me see they come on Friday. They come to the Sushman, and Sushman say boy I touch base Friday. And Kimani Mali, can me tell people them say, Kimani, me tell the people them say, me a reason, you know. And you tell me say they drop the blueprint, you know, everything, you know. To build a sports complex, you know. Before the dropping center, before Gajer building dropping center upon the center, you know. And because of the cell tower, you know, Gajer, you see you Gajer, you claim to the whole of the property of the parish council. You should not be ashamed and disgrace. You see, because when you brought on the wall into the part of the parish council, me want to know the part of the cell tower there, a parish council that don't you see the parish council too? The part of the cell tower erected. Because people want to tell me say the part where the cell tower erected near to the one Mitchell used to live. So you want to tell me say the part where the cell tower erected from this go straight to the other, go straight up because you turn off a Canal Street and go on Victoria Street. Because the street name Victoria Street. Coming from Mr. Right, used to live and go across the road and go straight down to the police station and go on the road where we meet. When you call it a street, we are in the street. We don't even call it a street because I remember the street name. So what you want to tell me say the whole of this of the parish council? Because you collect money off of the tower now, Mr. Gajer. Mr. Gajer, how the benefit off of the cell tower money? Eh? Where the money that go, Mr. Gajer? Because the cell tower upon the property from when village upon the property, you know. And I say the wall it built up, you know, the wall before the cell tower built up, you know. Because I must have brought them back up part time to build the cell tower, you know. Because every place is wall, you know. The wall long time, you know. Even before village, even for the Jeffrey White village. You know, see, we never doing in time they answer for it. Because then wall, them build the wall. That's why people cannot enter so over center. So they want the wall so they can make money when they think they keep a center. Because the wall when all build higher. The wall when build higher, you know. I be see the wall supposed to build in a back at start time, you know. A long time the wall building, you know. Because me remember when time I used to train, they prepare. I used to run side of the wall, you know. Just like how when time I used to Wendell Dunzel train back in the days, you know. When they are states, you know. Then time I used to Wendell Dunzel play for Reno, you know. When the man they train, man, the man they run the football, the man they run the football field, you know. Then run the entire, run the fence side, run the entire state sports complex. Upon the fence side Duffy run. Yes. I saw me used to run. I saw me used to train. Me run right against the perimeter fence. A center. Right against the wall. Yeah man. So one at a time the place is wall round. One at a time the place is wall round, you know. Yes. The place is wall round one at a time, you know. Yeah man, to the entire thing, you know. Yeah man, if you protect people from the travelers from the center and the people when they keep them thing, them can make money. Because some man just sit down on the wall and they watch ball game. Man just sit down on the wall, jump off of the wall and come over and can walk. Yesterday I go over there to yesterday I go over there? A day before yesterday. So, but all of me I say now, Kimani Mali, come go to the point right now. Kimani Mali, you say you touch base. I don't know how long you go stay for. But before you left and go back, I want to interview you in front of the Vice of Bedmiller. You will tell the people them why they refuse to give the lease. And why I don't want to hear from nobody. You will talk to the people them. Why? Because you want the place to build a sports complex before the drop-in center put there. Because I don't call no government badness. I don't call no, I can't call man like Gajer government badness. Yes. Because Tova say she don't deal with Gajer. Because she don't love a Gajer flex. So I can't call Gajer no government badness. So we can't make a man named Gajer. We don't know he come from top Chulani. Gajer don't know the history of the Falmouth people them. Gajer don't know the history of two Falmouth character. We can't talk two Falmouth female character. Because we know highly more Tory. And we know Nita Tory. We know Anita Belnavis Tory. And we know Harriet Ellis Tory. You know see it? And we know Picos Black Daughter them, the whole of them, what used to run for village. We know them Tory. I tell them, man, are them girls that do this thing of fine now? I want to be general. You hear me now, Kimani Mali, you need to speak up, you know. You need to speak about where you want the place, you know. You understand me? Because God not support the thing there, you know. It's like how Tova no want no Fowl farm upon center. God never did want no drop-in center. God tell me that. God see me total against it. He don't look proper against the police station. They're gonna build it on a 1 mile. But through them call on God. Because a tree man them have the them have as council now, you know. And them control the council, you know. Come here say Colin Gajer. Because for my last post, I don't call him Kenneth Gajer, Colin Gajer. Because I go Google him again and I call him Gajer in name. Because I'm not afraid of Gajer. I'm not afraid of Gajer. I'm not Nita, I don't interview Gajer. I don't want to see them man there. I don't to deal with them man there. Yes, just like how Tova not deal with him, I don't deal with him neither. That's why he can't put no Fowl farm, Tova say. He not in town. And just like how Tova say he can't put no Fowl farm in town, Gajer, you need to remove your drop-in center. Yeah, man. And your shelter for the homeless. And can't get on a 1 mile here. Because me one sister tell me, say, Mr. Wicker McNeil go movie. Yes. Yes. So before things gone, Sure. I want you, Mr. Gajer, come and plan for march and demonstrate now, you know. Because I show the man him center. See me with the, see him down beside with the cell tower there. I don't the man him, I don't the people the mind cold. It is on the voice of Bed Miller. And yesterday I said Nita it. You know see it? Never bird in thin skin. Who know, we can call him the man a soldier. We call him thin skin for a reason. Back in the days, he used to name thick skin. Because many man of the reason, the man say, boy, he can't believe. The man say, he can't believe. Me have some Roger and the man of the reason. And man say, he can't believe as a center stay. Can't believe. The man say, he can't believe, brother. I mean, have some bird who used to live a Hague. So Mr. Gart Wilkinson, when you went against the thing, you didn't need to protest. Make we demonstrate, because we know about Falmouth history, you know. We know about Highly-Mouth, you know. The history of Highly-Mouth, you know. And we know the history of Anita Belnavis, you know. That's why Anita Belnavis can't do them thing there. Got them homeless place go beg them food. I must Highly-Mouth to go use and raise the chicken, Mr. Gajer. That's what we want some Anita Belnavis girls them out of something there. Out of Northern, out of Falmouth. We want some Anita Belnavis girls out of Falmouth. We want we want a Bunny Shaw girls them out of Falmouth. We want some very want to go Campbell Brown. What's your name? Shelly and Fraser. Come out of Falmouth. We don't want them on Highly-Mouth. We don't Gajer. We don't want them on Highly-Mouth girls coming out of Falmouth. Because we know Highly-Mouth story. Because we passed the other day, you know, and see Highly-Mouth over there, you know. I want to your Gajer. You think you come talk about farmer people that do nothing at all for you. And you take Mr. Elixton land. You know see it? So Kimani Mali, me want you come in front of the vice of Bed Miller and talk your story. And we go gather out of the dropping center. Because you didn't want to place to build a sports complex before Mr. Gajer, Colin Gajer, who Tova and deal with. Because right now, in the Fowl, the mayor and the member of parliament in a seat. Now look face to face. Tova might know the reason why I not deal with Gajer. And that me hear. I mean, I talk a who tell me that. But me get the fun a reliable source. Because I stop in a certain situation, I don't call people name, brother. But that person tell me that. So Tova have to come clarify yourself why you should not deal with Gajer. But that a Tova and Gajer business. I talk free Falmouth business, real farmer people. The man plan to stage a 100-man march. You know see it? If you can't get 1,000 man, we get about out there. On the time about express in the fields, because enough man don't believe the center stay so. Kimani man no concern about football alone. As sports in public, come here and tell Nita say boy we want a track field drop over there. But they got to take money. Nita tell me say you got to take massive investment. So we have to start something. So come here and tell some sister and say we have to go demonstrate against it and make the world know. Make the world know what they go on. Make all of who used to run up and down a center. And there's a Nip School first homegrown. So when Martin Luther said he want to see in people in for unite, me want to see we want black and white unite. You see the white man say I'm best place as a brother. I want to know brother. We embrace the white people, you know. Because out of many one people, you know. Because they're going to spend the money any place now. The general, I tell you. You know, see it. I don't know which part of the man they support. But the man that tells the place to fix up my youth. And that's why them clear the place that they told him gonna yes, I can traverse the place. Because the place in forestry. When you go back to the vice of Bed Miller, content them. So we go sign up and say they got 41 minutes there now. But Gajer, we don't want to highly out. We don't want to highly out to man come out of Falmouth in the brother. Because highly out, I want sick in the head too, you know. Some things highly out go on with every wonder what go on with highly out. I want to your Gajer. You feel say no bad man there so Gajer but Falmouth people do nothing at all for you. You think you can come and take over the place? You see it? You think you're Desmond Mackenzie can go and take over the place? Can go and bad man, you know? Come Mr. Tivoli people, them a ball out, say boy for them center now start out, you know. You know, see, and I'm doing Siaga time for them complex behind right, you know. Doing Siaga time for them complex all right. And since Desmond Mackenzie they run Tivoli, the center that the center not turn good. And you Desmond Mackenzie come open dropping center pan you know see pan high and high youth center. When you come talk about land belongs to parish council. When you should be ashamed on yourself. Even if the land belongs to parish council, when you should use the land. The land is so close together. Use the land and build a sports complex. To take you them out of crime and poverty. When you take the place, you know see it. You know see it, I'm building a homeless place. Kimani drop in blueprint. Kimani say no want no money from the cell tower. Because man I want Kimani Mali tell me that. Someone want to know the story they go. Kimani Mali, me say I come on Friday. And Kimani Mali, me can't tell the talk. As a matter of fact, me just call her Kimani. Me just call her Kimani. Yes, I never put your father name on it. You know see it. Because I must need to give him Kimani. Yeah man. Nice name. Yeah man. So till one bedroom will drop out. Boy, I'm going to tell you, say, big up yourself, kid. Big up yourself, kid. Big up yourself, kid. Out of compound. And your sister, what are doing little thing out of compound? You know, go and drop in saying they go sit on the roadside and go near no food. That's why kid help little sister start a business and she do a cook food. You understand? That's we support her. Because we article farmer people now, who real farmer people, who know the one is now go in a seat. Now go on shopping center. Go now no food. So that's all I say. Kimani Mali, the man then go plan a 100 man march. Respect. Yes, Iyah. Well, come and zoom on up. And where them can find you. You see there? The man in my way over. See the man in my... The man in my short me, you know, from afar, you know. You know, see it? From afar, the man in my short me, you know. Yeah. See the man in there within 2 hours. You understand me? The same. Yes, Iyah, General, take care. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, go and eat in the food, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. You see there? The man them love me now and rape me now. Watch us see more tourists, some more tourists that travel to go on the beach there. Mr. Farmers are the best place to live. Downtown family for set up. I want no mad people for harbor down in them part. We don't want no mad people down in them side there, you hear me? We don't care the mad people they go on 1 mile. Yes. Big up yourself. 2 of ya. You know see it? 2 of ya. Boy, girl, by myself, you think I got over, you know. Because 2 of you think I got over, you know. Come here close by saying, you know, man. You can't start market G, you know. You can't start market G. Because the young people, them love market G. Look on the meeting the PMP having a sentence. With the big artists, them. Chronic Law. The young people, them love Chronic Law. They love popcorn. You know, see, Carter the King. How reggae music right now. Be the man, you need to hold your car in your time. A Cartel are the king for reggae right now. Yellow Man was a king one time. Back in a few days. Yellow Man doing time. Cartel, no. Be the man, me wait here, you know. Yeah, my heart is in the be the man. But you need to hold your car now. A Cartel is the king for reggae. But there's only one guy. But there only can be one king. No, Cartel is the king. Cartel are the king. Sorry. Cartel, come in the one, me say, gonna go crap out certain things I'm saying. No. Cartel are the king for dancehall music. Dancehall music. Dancehall music. Cartel are the king for dancehall music. Cartel is the king for dancehall music. Because dancehall music different from Yama from the reggae. Cartel are the, one time it was Yellow Man. It was Beanie Man. A Cartel are the king for dancehall music. But there's only can be one king. So me make me correction, you know. So see if they crap up me sitting and say, Cartel is the king for reggae, and mistake me make. Bob Marley. There's only can be one king for reggae, and a Bob Marley are the only king for reggae. Yeah man, the son of the father. Yeah man, the father of Kimani. Yeah man, so as I say, Kimani, when you touch a Friday, you touch a Friday, you know, you need to link me. If you alone want to do it, because I don't want to go back out of them party again, the video nothing at all. I want some people gather. And Kimani man, if you speak and tell what was the plans for the Elixton Waitland Youth Center. If you speak and make you know, say, you drop your blueprint and I see it. And if you speak and say what you're on the way forward, you offer the place. And why you see it? And you refuse to give the place and build drop-in center upon it. You know see it. At that me want to put forward. That's the second half of me thing this morning. This is the part of me go post it tomorrow. Because I put it to them one time. And I go ease up half of the thing. All right. Me go close it off now, General. Come talk and make people know. come talk because man like come to the man like no afraid of nobody, you know. Man now that's a man like no wait, you know. Man like no afraid of talk, you know. Yeah, man, it's a playground. Playground. We got close off. I'm not saying anything more. Talk me general. This man is a farmer sports player. Yeah. Talk me general. If it's some tell him.
Yeah, this is our tour guide and walking and we can't believe what Barrack School feel. What's here? Be a bush, track down. Nice little beach, people can come on and thing. Watch the football field and we want to play ball every Sunday morning. Come on, man, somebody to do something, man.
Make them know goal.
Make them know.
Yeah, man, make them know. You know say Ben Johnson?
Ben Johnson?
Ben Johnson?
Yeah.
I just say Ben Johnson is on the pan, you know. Yes, Ben Johnson is a boy, you know. Always say Ben Johnson is a victim of a system. I know say boy catch me. Always catch me jokes still on certain things. Okay, I know say that's how you go sell. But I just say Ben Johnson, so never know that.
Yeah.
Hmm?
One more time?
No man.
You say if you would know that Ben Johnson come from here.
He comes from here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
man.
used to run on this field too.
Okay.
One of this never know that.
No way.
Ben Johnson.
Yep.
Him alone, me I tell you. And many more people.
Okay. You say
If you know
Fowl
about-
and Ben Johnson?
Usain Bolt come from the. Alright, imagine Usain Bolt come from here, so this is the capital of the parish of Usain Bolt come from. And look on the playground with the kids them. You can't believe that? Oui?
Crazy.
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 Tell him.
That's crazy.
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 Me not say nothing more. Usain Bolt can come from here, so and the place stand so.
No. No,
Eh?
sir. You cannot.
Alright.
Watch all the goal, watch it.
Watch it. Watch it. You see it? Yeah. Watch it in place there.
They used to keep this all.
Yeah, but
The man say, alright.
I don't know what.
Young one yeah.
I bet this place used to look real nice. Yeah, when it was all.
I'm at that fact. Alright. You see, yeah, man, we go to school here.
Yep.
You know, say, the school I used to Bolt in top of William the Bay School, where Usain Bolt years ago. I just said him first start sports. The school opened in the 60s. I just was in first playground. I look on the first playground for William the Bay School.
Wow.
What Bolt also start go. What Bolt go. I just said a Bolt playground.
Yep.
No, just the school of Bolt used to go. I just said him first start keep sports.
Okay.
What you say? Crazy.
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 Crazy. What you say, man?
That's crazy.
Crazy, man. Crazy, yes. So me go sign off on you, brother. Big up yourself, goal. Yeah, man. So me have 2 to the finals. One of the white say, I know so me not post nothing more. Me not post nothing more, brother. That's a lock off, brother. Yeah, man, say a crazy thing. Ball can't come from here, so, and the place stays so. Crazy thing, brother. The man know Ben Johnson. I say Ben Johnson starting running. Me not talk nothing, no. Kimani Mali. You hear me now, me talk until me watch the Kimani Mali. Me go post this, and me go send him 2 things in a seat. Yes, a man for least watch them things. At the last post, when they post now. Kimani Mali, you need to come in front of the voice of Bed Miller and speak your mind. Because you alone, you wasn't for football alone. You didn't want football, you didn't want boxing, everything you did want over there. If we were in football alone, you don't make your football players nice. Because we never put on trucks over there again because trucks can go a multi-purpose stadium and trucks can go over in the school backyard. Boy, I'm tired, I talk all the day, tell me drop down and I must drop down. This is one now. Only have to see with me. 51 minutes, 52 minutes. Yeah, man. This is one I go in extra time. Come on, all you need together and voice your opinion. Because the man plan for March. We all with you. The man him see you, when the man him see you, come like a Jesus back in the old time days. The youth them love see you and them play out their heart and see you when they see you. You have no influence on the youth them. You know see it? Because you have Bob Marley Pitney, just like Sidela Marley. Or motivate the regular girls into World Cup. You can lead Falmouth United back to the Premier League. And that me I say, Gold say nothing more. Me get other people joining tonight. So me want to circle the one far and wide. Because boy, I'm tired and me talking to me the drop down, me talking to me the what's up. So me go easy right now. I'm going to find something to eat now. One love, big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko, because you say park in a setup. You say park in a setup, official, panel levels. The small piece of plot. You know see it? So that all me I put. You know see it? So Michael Manley Pitney will always vote for PMP. So when they say me not vote, me just say so. Sometimes me just say so, but you know see it. Because in last election, local government election, me say me ain't go vote. And me go vote. You know see it. Rose I know, not go vote. So as I say, you know the first, you know, because this one, me go make it be an hour. Me come to hour works already and people watch it. When was going in the yard, relax and cook up the food on the settee and watch this one here. You know see it? Yeah. Yeah man, so me say, in the first half, we talk about TJ, you need the help. As I say, me go repeat it again. You see, all that overseas, in say, in a June, Barrack School kids them come up. In a June, they come up at the track meet in Miami. You understand me? So who want come in and help? Because I say last year, not even the school didn't get much help from the school, because the school can afford for certain things. And the parents then put the money together and you see it and so forth. Forget buy the tickets them and so forth. Because the massive of them, they are Miami last year. And Nita love it. Nita say, boy, I never know the bicycle have track team. Bicycle have track team, brother. And the youth now don't feel for coach. The kids them pan. So that's why me say, I beg the comrades them who have it. You see it? We need to take a day and come chop out the boy. We need to go take a day and chop out the place. Because they must sabotage God. You hear me? They must sabotage God. Because the 7 million Tova get last year, you know, and Tova set up the place in 7 million. You know. And that God tell me, you know, 7 million Tova fix up the place. The place did look so nice. And them still lose. Because one of Labour man need to know say we have vote. You know, can't, because man when I say something go beat God, you know. They must say something that my name, my virgin, come look at virgin, you know, because my son go to school together, you know. Andre will go beat God, you know. Andre gang beat God. As long as you don't live, man, you can't win the farmer council, man. And Rose like, you can't win back Duncans again. Yeah, man. Yes. Before me close, I'm going to talk about one point before we go meet goal. Me say, if you notice, come to talk about the king of reggae. Yeah, man, say Bob Marley are the king of reggae. The king for reggae are Bob Marley. And Bob Marley was a man. We can't say Bob Marley was Michael Manley. The man is to love Michael Manley. The man is to love Michael Manley. All the Rastas them back in the days to love Michael Manley. Just like all of the top entertainers them. Back in the days, all the top, come and tell us, in the 70s, all the top artists them, back in the days. Because there are no bigger artists than Bob Marley. Bob Marley used to love Michael Manley. Because Bob Marley is a Rasta. And when Selassie come, Selassie give Bob Marley, give Michael Manley the word of correction. Yeah man, I'm doing Michael Manley time. See, you see it? I'm doing Michael Manley time. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'm doing Michael Manley time. Yeah man, Selassie. You mean say Siaga, I mean Selassie, because sometimes, yeah, Selassie did love Rasta. Yeah man, Selassie did love. You know see it? Rasta did, yeah man. Yeah man, the Rasta did love Selassie. The Rasta them did love Selassie. And Selassie give Bob Marley. Yeah man. Selassie give Michael Manley the word of correction. Selassie give Michael Manley the word of correction. Yes. Yeah man. That are back in the when Selassie went touch Jamaica. Yeah man. That's why all the Rastas them back in time there love Michael Manley. Bob Marley, all of them, man, all the top artists them, just like how now the top artists them love something there. Love, Marky G, Chronic Lance, all of the man them, Can't tell you all of the man them. You know see, Popcorn, the whole of the man them, Shaggy, the whole of the man them. You know see it? Shaggy, the whole of the man them, Bunty. You understand me? Beanie, Buju Bantan. Yeah man. So me saying this, me saying that brother, I just one love. I just one love brother. Me speaking of, it's a good content, me meet some white people. Then see the players, everybody the vice, the two got them a vice, so me say enough. As I say, Kim and them all, you need to come in front of the vice of bed, Miller, and make your speech. Because the man defend you. Because see when I got Tova, no want no foul in town, we don't want no mad, we don't want no mad people. Near the travelers around the schools, the man so forth. I want to tell us here. Yeah man. Yes. So as I say, the man struggles continue. 1 hour to go to now. 1 hour. In the second half I got to go over. You man extra time. You know see, you have certain part I want to edit out certain part of it. But me kind of yes, because through me yeah. Because me speak a lot better. I'm speaking now, me showing other people point of view and so forth. We need to stand up for the town, brother. We need to stand up for the place. You know see, we know cross beach come here, the original farmer people, we know the history of the place. So we want a sports complex downtown Falmouth. Just like our Jabby. See there? No close again. Hey yo Rasta, you alright?
Yeah man,
Respect. Like, yeah man, the place nice, then you can walk in peace now and go to the fishing village.
Alright.
Yeah man, son, I love you.
Yeah man, respect.
Yes, Iyah.
Alright,
Yeah man, see, other more tour guide that carry people to the fishing village. I want to know people. People, you see, if you hear me talk, I'm some of my voice I get constant when I hear it out on the part, you know. Yeah man, the part of me I talk about, yeah man, about Selassie. You know, see it? As Selassie give Michael the word of correction. You know, see it? The Rasta people, them did love Michael Manley. Most Rastas can know say Michael Manley is for the people. Them. And not for anything they love Michael Manley. So I'm going to carry everything this at the party. If it's all mixed up at the party, yes. So I'm going to close now. You see it? I'm going to close now. So big up yourself all the Rastas and big up yourself all the freedom fighters them who stand up for their country and who know about them town and know them places to grow up, who love them childhood. And all of we get old now we want to see the youngsters them be happy like when we used to be happy. Because all who born in the 60s and the mid-60s live the best life of Jamaica. All who born the 60s, respect who born in the 50s and so forth, you know. But all who come up who born in the mid-60s live the best life of Jamaica. That's all me I say. One love to the people them and big up yourself, Soko. And big up yourself, Soko. And 1 hour you gone in an extra time. You know see it? Because I'm done 45 minutes. The second half gone in an extra time. The first half I go post today. The second half I go post tomorrow. Because I don't talk. Kimani I come Friday. And when Kimani come Friday, before Kimani left, Kimani, we want to do the speech right in front of the dropping center. We want Kimani and some more warriors. We want to know why them refuse. We want to know why them refuse to give Kimani Mali center land and then take center land and pull mad house panny. Yes. And place to feed mad people. And you want to use mad island out. Fee. Yeah man, for raising the chicken. And then I'm going to work. Tova said no fowl farm now work. And so like what Tova said no fowl farm. No mad house. That's all we have to say. One love. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man. Yes, I am. I make a one last. Because I'm almost in one last panorama view of park. Nip School first playground. Nip School first playground. Nip School first playground. Center. Nip School second playground. Amblin Estate. Nip School third playground. Until Nip School have them own playground now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.